Which one of the following is an example of disproportionation reaction? But what is this disproportionation reaction? A reaction, in fact, redox reaction, in which an atom of the element shows both increase as well as decrease in oxidation state. Same atom of the element shows both increase as well as decrease. Then that redox reaction is called disproportionation reaction. In fact, we have white phosphorus reacting with caustic soda to liberate phosphine, giving sodium hypophosphite. Here in this reaction, phosphorus is in 0 state, whereas in phosphine plus 1 into 3 plus 3, so minus 3, this sodium hypophosphite, if we can work out, it comes out to be plus 1, where 0 is showing decrease in oxidation state to minus 3 and also showing 0 to plus 1. So here is the plus 1, that is increased. It is decreasing here. It is increasing here. So phosphorus is undergoing both oxidation as well as reduction. Hence is an example of disproportionation reaction. That is given white phosphorus reacting with caustic soda. In other words, here is the white phosphorus reacting with caustic soda to give phosphine and sodium hypophosphite. We find that is an example of disproportionation reaction. So A is the right option. But what about the black lead sulfide reacting with hydrogen peroxide? Black lead sulfide, that is PbS, reacting with hydrogen peroxide, which is an oxidizing agent, oxidizes lead sulfide to lead sulfate plus water. In all hydrogen peroxide properties as an oxidizing agent, water becomes one of the products. So here it is the sulfide with minus 2 is becoming plus 6 for sulfur, lead sulfate, sulfur is plus 6. So minus 2 to plus 6. And lead is remaining plus 2 plus 2. And there is no other sulfur on the right hand side where there is a decrease in oxidation state. So it's a simple common redox reaction but not a disproportionation reaction. Therefore, B is wrong option. And when we go for C, H2S reacting with sulfur dioxide to give sulfur. H2S is a very good reducing agent in the presence of which sulfur dioxide acts as an oxidizing agent to give H2O plus sulfur. So here sulfur is minus 2, here sulfur dioxide sulfur is plus 4, here sulfur is 0. So one sulfur is showing minus 2 to 0, another sulfur is plus 4 to 0. Not the same, this atom of sulfur from the same compound is not showing the changes. Therefore, it is not a disproportionation reaction. Therefore, C is wrong. What about D? Iodine reacting with hypo. Iodine reacting with hypo. Na2S2O3 giving NaI Na2S4O6 sodium tetrathionate. Here iodine 0 minus 1. Here sulfur plus 2. Here plus 2.5 plus 5 by 2. So two different atoms of the elements are showing changes. Hence it is not a disproportionation reaction. Therefore the D option is also wrong. So thereby white phosphorus reacting with caustic soda to give phosphine and sodium hypophosphite is an example of disproportionation reaction. So A is the right answer.